This has been untwisted completely, but to get the Freehub off, I will need to pull it off with some force because it takes with it the bearing. Here are already a few rollers, so I need to do that carefully, and I need to protect this cover. I now covered the cover with a piece of leather so that I can put a few screwdrivers underneath, and I hope that's sufficient to pull the Freehub from the axle together with the bearing. I sprayed some grease around the hub to prevent losing the ball bearings, and I'm now at the base of the Freehub. There are four, a number of spaces over here, and there is a rubber seal over there that you can twist, and I guess it is easily removable. There is a spring around these blocking things. Yeah, okay, so that's in place. I will put this over here to avoid losing any balls. I looked at all the balls with a strong magnifying glass, and there are no damaged balls, so I'm very confident that these balls can be reused. I put all balls over here, and now I'm pushing them in place and against each other. In fact, there are three bearings next to the Freehub. The lower loose ball bearing, the upper loose ball bearing, of which this is the cone and this is the cup over there, just above the ribs. So We will need to put bolts over there too. I applied some grease over there all around. There is a hole here and one bolt dropped down already. My God. I measured the diameters of the middle of the running threads of the cones, of the lower bearing and of the upper bearing. And they differ about 2.5 to 3 millimeters, which is the diameter of 1/8 inch ball. So I put 26 bolts on the lower bearing and 25 in the upper bearing. Now they both have enough running space, so they won't grind each other, and that's the basic important thing. So now I will put the hub on the inner part. Well, and now the shims. For shims, that's because the bearing is tight on the axle now. Are there any bolts hanging over here? No, that's good. I have 26 bolts on the lower bearing and, what did I say, 24 in the upper bearing. Let me check. Now the cone, remove the bearing. It's easier, I discovered. Left and right. Don't force. If there's one ball in the wrong position, you'll squeeze it. Okay, that's time to put something. I hope I don't need to remove any shims. Not bad. Good. Working fine now. Wow. Wowie, wowie. Some washers, shims. I applied some grease on the hub Let me take a look. Where is the narrow slot? Is over there. And that is over there. Okay. Good. Good. Then this with the tool. This does not need to be tightened very much. Okay, that's it.